Welcome to today's video lesson. Our topic for today is apostrophes. Apostrophes can be used for many reasons. For now, our focus is on using apostrophes to show possession. So in today's lesson, we will try to understand how and when we can use apostrophes to show possession. Apostrophes tell us to whom something belongs to. So instead of writing the bicycle belongs to Jake, we can write Jake's bicycle. The apostrophe S is enough to tell us that the bicycle belongs to Jake. If you are talking about a single cat's tail, the apostrophe will come before the letter S. If we are talking about the tails of multiple cats, then the apostrophe will come after the last letter S right here. Can you tell me what is the difference between these two examples? Yes, you are right. If the apostrophe comes before the letter S, it means that we are talking about one boy's bicycle. If the apostrophe comes after the last S, it means that we are talking about the bicycle belonging to multiple boys. Similarly, if I want to say that the hive belongs to one bee, I will add an apostrophe and letter S to the end of the word bee. If I want to say that the hive belongs to more than one bee, I will write letter S and then add an apostrophe. There are some plural words that don't end in the letter S, such as everyone, children, people, women, men. So what happens then? If the plural word doesn't end in letter S, just add apostrophe S. Like this. Let's practice now. Look at this sentence. Can you tell how many girls are we talking about by looking at the position of the apostrophe? Is it one or more than one? You are right. We are talking about more than one girl because we can see that the apostrophe is written after the letter S. It means that balloons belong to more than one girl. Let's do another example now. Which sentence is correct? Yes, you are right. The first one is correct. Children is a plural noun, but it doesn't end with an S. So we need to add an apostrophe and S to show that the toys belong to the children. Well done, all of you. Now for your task. Please pause the video here and complete this task that you see on your screen on possessive apostrophes. Okay, students, that's it for today's lesson. Take care and happy learning.